Hello and welcome to Grandma's Diamond Painting, and my name is Cher, same as always. Anyway, welcome to another unboxing, and as most of you can tell, this is Diamond Art Club, and I'm not going to show you what it is yet. I'm going to keep you in I'm going to keep you in suspense about what it is. Now, I did get this before I decided I was going to start doing videos. So, the box, it's out of the box already. And I started opening the wrap at the top, but I haven't taken the wrapping off. So let's get to it. Okay. I absolutely loved this one when I ordered it. I just fell in love with the dark colors. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Okay. As you can see, if you look at the bag, there's not a whole lot of really light colors there. It's mostly dark, but we'll get to that later. And what came with that? A sticker, I think it's a sticker. Or maybe those are, okay, it's the newer ones that are coming with the stickers. I ordered this quite a while ago, actually. But anyway, it's a list of, you know, the inventory, and there you see a picture. And I'm missing the kit. And that would be because I snitched it out of this one. Because, so I did open it once before. I'm so naughty. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if I'm going to be able to fit it all in. Okay, well, not bad. It's a wolf against a black background. And again, this is Diamond Art Club. Oh. And I'm going to show you one more time the legend. It's the same on the side as the one that I'm showing you now. And you can see they're not too dark. And if I can show you the drill field here. Oh yeah, that's showing up already. It's supposed to be an autofocus camera, so you can see. And let's go into the blue of the actual wolf. It shows it to you. Just got my arm stuck there. Pull this back. Oop. Wow, I stuck to that all right. think I'm going to have to start using parchment paper on these poured adhesive, because I'm not very good at putting the cellophane back down. And I'll try the same thing here. And there we go. Anyway. So this one I'm going to call Arctic Wolf because of the dark, and of course we know about the dark winters. It is an 80 by 55 centimeter round drill, and it's full, as you can see with the whole thing. Diamond Art Club has called it the Wanderer, but I think I'll rename it. I know for a fact that it took 3 weeks to get to me, because this was the first Diamond Art Club I ordered, and I thought it would get to me a bit sooner than it did, but there was a long weekend in there somewhere, and I think that's what caused the problem, why it took a little extra time. Anyway, let's have a look. Pardon the crinkle of this cellophane. And 154, 137. Well, 137 is an AB, an Aurora Borealis drill. So, because anything under 150 apparently is Aurora Borealis. And I just see the 137. So we'll have to see where that is. I'm going to hope it's in the white, the lighter. I would imagine it's in the white ones. Oh, do some tweaking here. Anyway, I don't know. I think I'll try and bring me down lower. So you can see the different colors. There's some blues in there, some dark purples. Oh, there it is. 137 right here. Oh, that's 137. So it's a blue. So there goes. Ooh. These are heavier. 939, 939. Yeah, the dark colors are the majority of the background, so of course these are, you're going to see them more. There's a beautiful blue. And lots of 310. Actually, the whole strip, this whole strip is 310, which doesn't surprise me in the least. So there'll be a lot of color blocking in there. I'm not going to bother doing an inventory with this because of Diamond Art Club's guarantee. If anything is missing, they will send it. No questions asked. But from what I've seen on other videos of Diamond Art Club paintings, they don't. Very, very rarely have people run out of drills with their product. So once again, there is the Wanderer, or as I'm going to call it, the Arctic Wolf. If you want to leave any kind of a comment below, feel free. If you like this video, please do send a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.